Hello, I'm good. And what about you?
I'm also good, bro. Thank you for asking me. Are you from
Mhm.
Indonesia?
Yes, I am. And you're from Bangladesh?
Yes, I am from Bangladesh. Thank you for know about my country.
Yes. Mhm.
So, are you talking with me using your laptop?
Yes, how do you know?
Because your voice quality. Whenever I talk with strangers, and whenever they use their laptop, their sounds like that, as you have
Oh,
right now. Yeah.
so what about you? Are you using laptop too?
Yes, I'm also using my laptop but my laptop probably my microphone is not that much well. So is it sounds
Oh,
well in your case? Can you hear me well?
yes.
Oh, are there any problem to hear my voice, like some bad noise you or something else?
Mm,
Can you hear this kind of some bad noise or unnecessary noise from my side?
uh, just a little, I think.
Okay, so how long have you been using this platform and why?
I've been here for a year, but I'm not using it for every day. I
Wow.
came to this platform because I am studying English at college.
Okay, I got you. But in my case, I am also using this platform for a month, but I was not regular because I'm a little bit busy at the same time. Nowadays, I'm thinking, mm, hello, what was happening over there, bro? Sorry for that. So,
Yes.
I'm using this platform sometimes, not all the time, probably
Yeah, I
twice
see.
a week or something like that, or sometimes even less than that. So, where
Mm,
do you study and what is your major?
my major is English,
Your
so
major in English. That's
I
good.
came here to practice my English.
That's good. So, what do you want to be in future?
I hope I can be a lecturer.
Lecturer. That sounds good. So, is it easy to be a lecturer in your country, or is it quite hard?
Can you repeat?
Is it very difficult to be a lecturer in your country, or it's easy to be a lecturer?
Mm, I don't think so because I have no experiences for that moment, but I will be.
Okay, you don't have any experience, but probably you are living in that country, so you have a little bit experience. But you have a dream that you want to be a lecturer. So in that case, I would say you have to analyze a little bit about your professions. It is gonna be so hard, or gonna be so competitive, or something like that. Or if it is very easy to be a lecturer in your country, so you can be a relaxed or if it is like very competitive in your country so you have to do something great for yourself to impress other people and probably you need to improve your knowledge variety of things in order to cross other people other competitor as well and all this and according to me in my opinion in my perspective of view those things will keep you ahead from any other people in your like sector or in your profession. Do you got it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you so much.
yeah. But before 8 years ago, I was meeting a people who is also from Indonesia. They are very very respectful. And
Mhm.
what is your religion? May I know, please?
Sorry,
What is your religion?
I don't understand.
What is your religion? Do you believe in Allah or God or something?
Oh, I am a Muslim.
Yeah, you are Muslim. So, as I know, Indonesia is very famous for
Mm,
Muslim country because it's the largest Muslim country in the world,
Yes.
and most of them are Muslim. I have met more than five Indonesian people before. Yeah.
You meet here?
No, I have never been there, but I have met in episoden and through other platforms as well, because
Oh,
I have been meeting strangers since for 5 years. Since 5 years.
oh, okay.
Yeah. And do you have any question for me?
So what do you do for a living?
I'm a registered nurse in Bangladesh. I help in my patients. I'm doing a job at a hospitals and give my patients psychological support, physical supports, give them proper treatment and medication and all that.
So you are currently
And
busy, right?
yeah, yeah. And apart from this, I'm currently doing study, preparing myself for IELTS exam to in order to getting my higher study.
Mm, I see.
Yeah. So if you get a chance to visit abroad country, so which country will you wanna be? Will you wanna go?
I want to go to Germany.
Germany, but why?
I want to practice my German language there.
Wow, that's good. So what will be in English?
Uh, uh,
What would be your English? So our time is going to be up. So thank you very much. Hope we will meet again in the future.
yes, you too. Nice to